Now use a good salutations like dear sir. I'll of course show you with what you can properly use as. Okay, so just send the mail only a required information. Don't splash many things. Okay, whatever I'm saying, guys, you can note it on because I'm saying many useful things which might be helpful for you for your business environment. Yeah, if you are already an employee, this is the right thing to go on. Use numbering or bullets. I'm just saying about use numbering something about bullets. If there are many tags and you want to know to that about the topic in a proper way, you can go on with the bullets. Okay, because you are and always follow a company policy because you can't just go and rush it over cup. What is the policy of company you have already read, right? So what actually it offers, what they want, you have to follow your mail with that respect to only. Don't use harsh language because company policy is not use formal only. Now what I don't get a quick just recap you with a don't of your mail you should not use. Never use uppercase or all lowercase. Use a normal writing. It's a case sensitive email. Use in a one language only. Case, and I didn't mean that you can use a upper and lower. Okay, guys, you can just go on a normal formal writing. Don't use all uppercase in mail. Don't use all full mail body in a lowercase. Don't use unnecessary humor. Not needed. Okay. Anything, a laugh, not good. It's a professional industry. Don't use too many short form SMS language. Like if I say about just as a anything joke it is or anything related to something. WhatsApp also don't use as W and all these things. Okay, so don't use as a small language. Keep it a sharp language, formal, no, so that it known properly and quickly to the another person. Don't use one word responses. Don't use one word responses because it might get confused to the frontier person what actually you talking about. So that's why I'm telling you keep a sharp email like don't use as soon as you send the no sorry don't call don't call soon as you send a message once you send the message. Okay, so don't call that person. Then, hi, do you have received the email? It's not a good approach, guys. You just have to send the mail after some time or after a day or span of 4 5. You can just get it on. Hi, did you receive my mail? If you get connected automatically after your mail, it's not a good approach. Now, going with the there are more I wanted to say about. Don't use email for gossip. Okay, because mail is a professional frontier in a business environment. You can't use it for a gossip that what you do on your chat. You can't use this email for this. Don't use the reply to all button all the time. Okay, because reply to all button reply to all button is something like at a time deal with one mail. Don't use all fastly and it's a quick. Read it properly whenever you receive any mail. Don't use bright and gaudy colors. Don't use bright colors. Use a proper mail, a catchy normal email writing. Don't write an email when you are angry. Don't use angry words. Don't have a bad approach to the frontier. Take care of this, guys. Don't reply with attachment all the time. Whenever you reply, whenever you example someone has sent you a mail, okay, so you have to reply with a good writing attachment if needed, then only. It's not necessary to always provide with the attachment. It shows a bad attitude and again so that it's meaning like you are not able to speak out your thoughts. Not every time, of course, but go with a good approach. Now let's talk about the tone. Yeah, it's very important in the nowadays. The tone you should use while speaking all typing and mail. Of course, not speak, the typing and mail, which is digital, not physical. So you can note it on with me. I'm not writing again, I'm saying not writing. Okay, so just an example. If I say an informal, thanks for mailing me on, it's wrong, right? You should say as thank you for your mail, dated, which I already said as you remembered about the good opening point. I hope so. So again, if I say something, just an example, I'm giving you something about informal writings, how you can convert to a formal writing. Yeah, that is a good approach. Second one, if I say I need your feedback, no, you should say as looking forward to your feedback. Now, if I say I need this in hour and half an hour, no, you should say as would it be possible to have this in half an hour? Whatever you need it, you can say in a good approach. I'm just saying about the typing style of your thinking. Okay.